Good morning everyone and welcome to the vlog. Hope everybody's having an absolute perfect day so far. We have just headed out to go out of town. It is about 5:30 now. I've been on the road for maybe 15 or 20 minutes, but we're hoping to get down there at a reasonable time so we can actually get on the beach today, but you know, who knows that'll actually happen. Supposedly we can't get into our hotel till like 3 or 4 o'clock, so we'll see. We're literally booking it. We've been flying like 90 miles an hour since we literally left, but that's just the art of Joey's driving, which is who we're following. So we're just hanging out. Hopefully we will stop and get something to eat here soon. I'm freaking starving and I hope there's something good to eat because you already know I'm trying to get something good. Alright, so it is about 7:20 now. We just made our first stop. We stopped at Hardee's. That was my first time ever having Hardee's and it was actually pretty freaking good. I had a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. That's what Taylor got as well. And we're already back on the road now. We're trying to get there as quick as possible like I was telling you guys earlier. I'm thinking that we're gonna get there around 2:30 if I had to guess about what time, but I'm not exactly sure. Kind of depends on how often we stop and also traffic and all that good stuff. So we're hoping to get there. Not gonna get me film. Oh wait, not film. Not gonna get me singing. Your glasses look like they're on your nose. Like, oh, they look.
We just stopped for lunch at KFC.
Don't go, Joey. Thank God.
We're feeling a little greasy.
I do feel greasy. I feel like
I think less than an hour away. We've been rolling. We've been rolling.
I've been rolling.
Yeah, I took like 3 naps.
You're out cold.
How you feeling? We about to be there. We about to pull up.
Sitting around that toll for like 86 hours.
On the plus, we got a shopping center right over here.
No, nothing good.
H&M,
No.
Forever 21,
No.
Victoria's Secret,
Gay.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Gay.
There was a Publix.
Gay.
We arrived! Oh. We made it here, but our room's not ready.
What?
I was talking. We made it here, but our room's not ready, so we're just going to Alvin's Island. Looking for some chairs.
We're not going anywhere. We're just walking aimlessly.
No, we're going to Alvin's Island because it's right next to where we staying. Maybe get some beach chairs. Big Kahuna's right there. We gonna hit it up sometime this week. Hopefully they allowed the GoPro on there. Feeling like the beach. scale of 1 to 10, how excited are y'all?
11.
12. 10,000. I win. These don't have full shells though, like some of them do. Oh wait, this one's coming out kind of. Hey dude. What if it clawed me? Do you think it does? Do you think it hurts? Look, 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 look. Mr. Crab! Mr. Crab! Hello, Crab! Look, he's playing with this little crab. Look, he's him.
So how are you gonna do it? What are you gonna get in there?
Fish, jellyfish, starfish. Maybe some crabs. I don't think you're gonna get starfish. I haven't seen starfish in a long time.
Should I get big shit?
Oh.
You can get some big old fish. Wait, there's a glow in the dark frisbee. Should I get this one? Oh. Look at this. It's a glow in the dark frisbee.
You don't need no daggum glow in the dark frisbee.
15. Well, we came in for just a few things for 5 days and
We got freaking food for days. This place is
How do you feel?
ridiculous. It's so packed.
I'm gonna be here for a minute. Let me go look real quick. See what they got.
This place is freaking insane. Alright, somebody tell me what on earth this is. Like, what the heck is that? Some shark poop or something?
it's literally everywhere. I think it's shrimp.
She said a little shrimp. But we're out here now. Just me, Taylor, and the girls came out here. They're all staying really, really close to the, what is that even called? The dock? No, the sand? The shore. Close to the shore. Nobody up the mountain. There's a huge sandbar out here. Huge sandbar out here. But everybody's afraid to come out here.
I don't like to go very far.
Alright, come right here.
Okay.
Those stinky VIPs
nice weather. The water right up here close is really, really dirty. There's so much debris and nasty. Yeah. There's so much stuff on the shore, but if you go out there, there's a big old sandbar out there and it's super, super clean out there. So that's where I've been enjoying it. The girls are chilling right there. We're just sitting here hanging out, enjoying ourselves. The weather is amazing right now. It's not too hot. Sun's starting to set. I hope the camera's not like super close to my face right now.
When we first got here though, it was super hot.
Yeah, it really was. When we first got here about 2:30, it was absolutely blazing hot outside, but we're doing good now. We're just chilling, having a good time. I'm already ready for tomorrow when it's blazing hot and we just get to lay out, and hopefully I can get some tan and not get burned, but we'll see. We're just enjoying these lovely waves, just relaxing. Yeah, it's very busy.